Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this audio, we will discuss about parameters in PDBs. In Oracle database, cluster database, there are pluggable databases. So we will discuss about the parameters. Modifying initialization parameters in pluggable database. Facts. Pluggable databases inherit parameter values from the root cluster database, which is CDB, unless they are overridden at PDB level, means pluggable database level. The normal alter system command is used to modify PDB level parameters, except that persistence mechanism is different. PDB level initialization parameters are not stored in the SP file. Instead, they are stored in the data dictionary for the PDB. PDB's SP file parameters are stored in PDB underscore SP files $ internal table. There is only one physical SP file from the entire CDB and all its PDBs. This SP file is read when the root CDB is opened. The equivalent of an SP file for a PDB is the CDB's PDB underscore SP files $ table. There is a PDB underscore SP file $ table for each one of the containers, which is CDB $root and all PDBs. However, only the CDB's PDB underscore SP file $ table contain those parameters which have been specifically set for the PDBs. SP file in PDBs is always enabled as long as the root CDB is open. This is true even if the CDB is not using a SP file. Oracle allows PDB to use SP file because PDBs don't have any other means for persistent parameters. Means PDBs do not support pfile or init.ora file. Only a subset of the overall Oracle database initialization parameters can be modified locally in the PDB. Look for those parameters with v $parameter dot ispdb underscore modifiable, means is PDB underscore modifiable equals yes. PDB level parameters persist across database restarts and also across unplug or plug and even clone operations. The root's PDB underscore SP file $ table is internally queried and the parameters are set accordingly when the pluggable database or instance is opened. When connected as a privileged user to the root container database, any alter system command will by default be directed at just the root container. The traditional ways of looking at an SP file or even the alert.log will only be useful for a CDB database. This is because the CDB is the root level that controls many of the items which are shared among the CDB and PDBs. To see parameters for the CDB and all the PDBs except PDB $seed, v $system underscore parameter can be queried. Hidden or underscore parameters are not listed there, though unless fix for bug 20700-587 is installed. As an alternative for the above bullet, you can query CDB's PDB underscore SP file $ table instead. v $SP parameter view can also be queried to show PDB's SP file parameters when queried from inside the PDB. In a non-CDB database, the v $SP parameter view reads the SP file and shows the parameters as a query result. The same view in a CDB reads the PDB underscore SP file dollar table in root and show the PDB's SP file parameters when inside a PDB. In order to modify parameters at PDB level, you need to be connected to the PDB container for which you want to make the modification. If you are connected at root container, the parameter modification will take place for entire CDB. Every time when you open a PDB, if that particular PDB has its own values for some of the init parameters, means initialization parameters, the values from the CDB's SP file are overwritten with the values from PDB underscore SP file $. All initialization parameters can be set for the root CDB database. For any initialization parameter that is not set explicitly for a PDB, the PDB inherits the root's parameter value. Just like normal initialization parameters, there are underscore parameters that can't be modified at system level or can't be modified at PDB level, or parameters, hidden or not, that need to have the same value across all rack instances. The PDB SP file $sign table in each one of the PDB is truncated or empty. All the initialization parameters for each PDB are stored in the root's PDB underscore SP file $table instead. Parameters and their values are restored for the PDB when it is plugged into a new CDB. When a PDB is unplugged, its own initialization parameter will also be copied into the PDB's own PDB underscore SP file $table. This is done as a fallback in case the XML is lost. Once a PDB is plugged back into a CDB and all its parameters imported, then the local PDB underscore SP file $table is truncated. Since the PDB's SP file parameters are stored in a dictionary table in the root CDB, after executing alter system reset command, the row exists in PDB underscore SP file $, but it is marked as deleted parameter. This is equivalent to removing the parameter from the regular SP file in a non-CDB. There is no current support for resetting in-memory parameters for regular non-multi-tenant database, and hence that is not supported for PDB either. A PDB's alter system set or reset command to set or reset a parameter cannot be executed with scope equals memory when the PDB is closed. When reading parameters for a closed PDB, we are expected to provide root's values of the parameters since the PDB inherits from root. Understanding the concept of parameter inheritance within the Oracle database 12c. Parameters inheritance in Oracle database 12c means that the value of a particular parameter in the root CDB is inherited by one or more PDBs. There are parameters that can be changed at the PDB level and override what is being inherited from the CDB. To identify which parameters can be modified for a PDB, the is PDB underscore modifiable column in the v $system underscore parameter or v $parameter views must be true. If the is PDB underscore modifiable column for the parameter is true, then the parameter inherits the value from the CDB until it is changed with the alter system set command at the PDB. from documentation. When the current container is a PDB, run the alter system set initialization underscore parameter statement to modify the PDB. The statement does not affect the root or other PDBs. The following table describes the behavior of the scope clause when you see a server parameter means SP file and run the alter system set statement on a PDB memory. The initialization parameter setting is changed in memory and takes effect immediately in the PDB. The new setting affects only the PDB. The setting reverts to the value set in the root in any of the following cases. An alter system set statement sets the value of the parameter in the root with scope equals to both or memory, and the PDB is closed and reopened. The parameter value in the PDB is not changed if scope is equal to SP file, and the PDB is closed and reopened. The CDB is shut down and reopened. SP file. The initialization parameter setting is changed for the PDB in the SP file. The new setting takes effect in any of the following cases. The PDB is closed and reopened. The CDB is shut down and reopened. In these cases, the new setting affects only the PDB. Both. The initialization parameter setting is changed in memory and it is changed for the PDB in the SP file. The new setting takes effect immediately in the PDB and persists after the PDB is closed and reopened or the CDB is shut down and reopened. The new setting affects only the PDB. For this audio, we discuss only the modifying the initialization parameters in PDB. In next audio, we will discuss more. So till then, goodbye.